Guys, it's 18th of July, Wednesday 18th of July, my Diva's birthday, and a day before my birthday. And you can see from the last video where we didn't have a main, we now have the main and the stack back, telltales on the back, so I'm looking forward to doing some sailing soon. But I just decided to come out here and show you. It's one of those unbelievable days in Cape Town. There is not a breath of wind. The whole of Table Bay looks like a mountain. That's Robben Island way in the distance. Then we go through the Channel Buoys towards Blouberg Strand in the distance, coming around Table Bay. There is Milnerton. Coming around to Pardon Island, there you can see the starboard entrance of the breakwater in Table Bay. Coming around to Port Control Building, in the background Table Mountain. Coming around to the waterfront, you can see Lions Head and Signal Hill. The soccer stadium. Radisson in the distance. This is Granger Bay that I'm in at the moment. There's a fishing trawler out there. And I've switched the engine off, I'm just drifting. It's absolutely a most spectacular afternoon. So I thought I'd just show you. This is supposed to be the middle of winter, and we've got 28 to 30 degrees in our winter, which is quite worrying, because apparently they've got all sorts of problems in Sweden with wildfires and goodness knows what else. Anyway, so that gives you an idea, and it's just one of those incredible days. So I'll post this up. It's just fantastic weather, not a breath of wind. So I think it's time to get something to drink and just chill for an hour or two before I head back, and then start a day skipper theory lecture with one of the new students that's starting. Okay, cheers guys. Slowly heading back into Table Bay. It's just the most incredible weather. Seldom do you see Table Bay without any wind, any breeze. But it's just like a mirror. You can see absolute amazing afternoon. Hot, 28 degrees. I'm wearing shorts and a vest, and you can see the mountain coming into Duncan Dock. Just look at it. That's the whole of Table Bay. Like a mirror. Like a mirror. All around. There's Port Control. There's Signal Hill, Lions Head, Table Mountain. And Skuman Dock. Coming around. Just chugging along at about 1200 RPM, doing 4.4 knots over the ground. Depth here in the channel is 17 meters plus 1.9, which is our draft. And you can see I didn't even bother taking the fenders off. I just took the bib off in the front, but all the fenders are there. So I'll toss those over when we get closer. And yeah, about 3 o'clock on Wednesday the 18th of July 2018. And you can see the main is up. Mainsail is in, stack pack's been repaired, everything's hunky-dory. when it's sailing season again. It should be quite soon. Wind will never last very long in conditions like this, so enjoy it while we can. Adios muchachos.